What is Buddy's favorite toy? I think you guys know the answer to this question. His ball. He has about 8 of these things, if not more than that. And only he knows which one that he prefers. Because we could throw one and he's like, that's not the one. Only he knows which one it is, and it has a certain smell to it, I guess. But right now, it's this one. Ready? It's right here. Ooh. You hit that one. You want to try it again? Here, buddy. No, buddy. Get away from that. He smacked it again, but I didn't, it was like not on the video part. I got your ball, buddy. Guess what, guys? I have some exciting news. Well, at least it's exciting for me. You know how I've been waiting for this morning glory plant to start blooming? Well, it's finally happened. Isn't it pretty? I'm so excited. Finally! It'll really be pretty when there's blooms all over here. That'll be really nice. Can't wait. But in the meantime, I can enjoy that little baby. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.